is Rachel, and today I am back to do another plan with me inside of my Print Pression Weeks. This time I've decided to use some spares, so a kit that's already been used. The first time that I used this kit from Harriet Wright Designs was in my B6 memory planner, and there is a plan with me for that on my channel as well, but I had enough left to be able to do a spread in my PP Weeks, so I did get some extra boxes when I bought this kit. This was a mystery sub kit. I've got a spare box there and a spare box there. I've got a few bits of functionals, some more functionals, checklist boxes, which I don't tend to use in my PP Weeks anyway, but maybe I will. I've got my 2 trackers that I'm going to need. I've got some headers and I have got the bottom washi. So you may have noticed that the only thing missing from this is the date covers. So I've pulled some date covers from RachelBeautyPlans Designs, and I think I'm probably going to go with this first row here. Just a really muted nude colour, and obviously the foiling on that is holographic. So let me see if I can move the camera down a smidgeroony. That should be okay. And then we will just move on. Now we're getting to the point where I'm going to start to need to put the clips on the book. Do you remember from last year when I was doing this and it got a bit chunky and I ended up starting to put the clips down just to keep it flat? So let's start with the date covers. Filming this on Sunday, so I am ahead. Woohoo! I'm ahead in all my planners actually. So that's good. I've managed to catch up. I got a little bit behind in my Stylogy. Well, I say a little bit. I'm always in the right week, but sometimes like I'll only start the week and it'll be like Thursday, you know, and I'm kind of back planning. But I'm ahead with everything at the minute, which is very, very handy. So yeah. How are you guys? How are you all doing? Sunday today, so a fresh week tomorrow. Hope you have a wonderful week, whatever it is you've got going on. I'm hoping for another good week with Paige going to school. No tears. That's what we're aiming for. And Jensen will have a good week as well. He always has a good week. He's fine. He is absolutely fine. And then I've not got too much going on really. Chris is working till Wednesday, so Wednesday we'll probably just spend the day together, chilling out, catching up on TV shows that we've missed, that type of thing. We quite like doing that. I do have a page flag that says to do, but I'm not going to use it because it's white writing rather than black. I prefer it black. I don't know why, I just do. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to do this little page flag type thing. And then I did get an order yesterday from Little Bloom Papery. This should have gone up in my haul, and I know that I do have some this week stickers and some to-do stickers. What shall I do? Let's do this week. So I bought these during the 2 for Tuesday that she does. She does one every Tuesday. I'll layer it a little bit like that. So yeah, so all of these sheets were essentially £1 each. And it's different ones every week, but I'm a big fan of that. I've put 4 orders in with them, I think. I've had 2 and I've got 2 coming. Oh, I remember that this kit was a little bit misfoiled. Not misfoiled, sorry, miscut. Didn't affect the stickers, but it had gone right through the page, you know, sort of like one step before sticker flakes. You know what I mean. So there, I've got my trackers down. So that is one for my beauty account and one for my planner account. Let's just write that on. Let me get my scribbly thing. There we go. So I'm just filming this video before I'm going to nip to my nan's with the kids. I'm going to take the kids to see my nan. We're going to go and sit in the garden and the kids can play. Jensen likes to, she has a big blossom tree. And all the petals and the leaves fall off in the garden, and Jensen likes to collect them all, pick them all up for her and pop them in the gardening bin. He usually gets £1 for it. He got £5 for it last time, but that was because we'd not seen them for ages, obviously because we weren't allowed, whereas now we're allowed to go and sit in the garden. So yeah. But the weather's not as nice as yesterday, which is a bit of a shame. It was a bit warmer yesterday and it was a bit brighter. It's about 11 o'clock now and it's looking a bit miserable, which is not very good. I've pulled some date dots from my collection. I've just gone from these, for these from the Plump Planner. I think that I got these in like a grab bag type thing. Sometimes the lady that owns the Plump Planner does like a de-stash type thing, or she'll do like overstock grab bags or something in the de-stash group. And I do remember picking one up. I don't think I've placed an ordinary order with the Plump Planner. So I'm pretty sure that that's what these were. And they're not miscut or like oopsies or anything either. They seem to be perfectly fine, which is handy. Right, here we go. Now then, so I know I've always said that I just do my videos when I do my videos and I don't commit to a schedule. But since I have 4 videos every week that I definitely want to put up, I have my PP weeks, my basic Stalogy, my Hobonichi weeks and my memory planner. There should always be one of those videos every week. Don't hold me to this. I do want to loosely sort of schedule it because, so I've got 4 videos to film today, and ordinarily what I do is I just put them up. I just put them up one today, one tomorrow, one the next day, one the next day, and then maybe I've got nothing to film for a couple of days, so then there'll be a couple of days break. And I decided that it would probably be better if I sort of loosely scheduled them, so there wasn't like 2 days in between videos, so that it's sort of every other day type of thing. So that being said, this video should go up on Wednesday. I have got my basic Stalogy on Monday. And then if I've got hauls and flip throughs, they can just be scattered in between. What am I looking for here? I'm looking for this. So my basic Stalogy plan with me is going up on a Monday. So yeah, I just decided that that might be a little bit better. I'm not definitely saying, right, this is going up on that day and this is going up on this day, because I won't stick to it. But if I sort of decide to loosely stick to an every other day type thing, and I usually put my videos up at 3 PM UK time as well. I don't know if you've noticed, but I do. That seems to work. Discovering that you could schedule videos is like the best thing that ever happened to me. It took me ages to figure that out. I used to just put them up straight away as soon as I'd film them. So sometimes you would get like 2 videos in a day, and then the next day I'd have nothing because I didn't have the space on my phone. And then it was like a eureka moment when I remembered, or when I realised, should I say. Game changer. Oh no, this washi is looking like it's a bit... Oh, it wasn't too bad, just one place it stuck. Let's get this bottom washi down. And then I'm pretty sure that I saw a weekend banner as well. That's why I like buying these full kits, because I know that I can get 2 spreads out of them. I can definitely get a spread in my Stalogy or memory planner or whatever it is that I'm using it. And then usually I'll have enough left to be able to do something in my PP weeks. Just get a bit more value for your money, don't you, when you do it that way. There we go. And where's that weekend banner gone? I didn't use it last time, but I don't want to waste it. I think I might pop it... Shall I pop it down the bottom, or shall I pop it here? I'm going to pop it down the bottom. Can you see that? Am I on? Pop it down the bottom. Right, there we go. Okay, so the definite things that I have got going on this week. I have got a Fab Planner print post on Sunday. I'm going to need to pull in some... Can I use that? I think I can use that header. That's sort of a bit of a thicker header. Perfect. Right, and then, so yeah, I need to use some extra boxes from out of here. Oh, and a little update for you. I bought another album. Now, if I'm completely honest with you, I bought it because I fell in love with the design. It's from Wendy Prints and it's like a dark floral design with a heart on it, which is really nice. So I've made a reason to need it. Did I really need it? Probably not. And I love the albums that I've got, so I won't be replacing these. So this is going to become an album that has Hobonichi Weeks extras in it. This is going to become my icons. And the other one is going to become my functionals. I think. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. And yeah, when am I? Oh no, I can't say because this isn't going to go up till Wednesday. I was going to say there's a sale on at the moment on Wendy Prints, but it might be finished by the time this video goes up. I missed it as well. I placed my order not last night but the night before, and then when I just quickly looked before because I wanted to find out what my referral link was, the whole shop was on sale, which is really annoying. I mean, it happens, doesn't it? But whatever. A little bit annoying. So this is my PP weeks. So these two videos are definitely going to go up on these days because I'm filming this one now. That one is already filmed. So then Friday should be a memory planning spread. So I need another box. Do I have any more that are sort of that colourway? I have this one here. B6 memory planning. There we go. Right, and then let me put my film edit and uploads on, and then I can put my deco down because I've got all the things on that I need to. Film, edit, upload, and film, edit, upload. I really underestimated how cold it was today, and I've actually just had a shower and I didn't bother to dry my hair, and sitting here with wet hair is making me realise what a bad decision that was. Right, let's have a look at my full boxes then. What do I have? So I'm going to go with the girl who is my hair and skin tone. She can go on Tuesday. And we will put down, I'm going to put down a to-do flag. No, I'm not, because I didn't want to use the white, did I? I'm going to put down a page flag because I have some photos that I want to take pictures of. So I can just write that in there. Then let's have a look at Thursday. I'm going to go with my skin tone again. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put that down the bottom, and then I think I'll put a page flag just for anything that pops up on Thursday. And then the same thing on Saturday. Now the boxes that I have left is this one, which is just a bit plain. I'm not going to bother with that one. And then I've got this one here, which is not my favourite if I'm completely honest, but it's okay. It's a little bit more something than just that plain box. And we'll do the same thing again with the last bow page flag. And then on Sunday, I'm going to go with a big long checklist. Will I fit one of these on? Yeah, maybe I'll use one of these. I can fit it on, just in case there's any to-dos that I'll need to remember for the next week. Oh, it's perfect. It fits just perfect. So there we go. That is how this week's spread has turned out. That was using all leftovers from a kit that I used with Harriet Wright Designs. If you want to see the original plan with me, I'll try and remember to link it in the cards. I really will try and remember. I really will. I know I've said that a million times and I don't, but I really will. And I've still got quite a bit left over. So what I'll end up doing, I think, is putting what I need from this in my reusable sticker books, and the rest of it will go in. I have a big envelope that's just full of scraps, like part used kits that I won't use, and I think I'll eventually de-stash it on the group, just somebody can pay for postage and have it, I think, because it will be chock full. But yeah, that's going to be it from me for now. I love how this has turned out. It's absolutely stunning. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye.